Okay, classic Caillou, please head to bed and sleep. I did not wanted to hear you awake at 3 a.m. Got it?
Okay, Dad. I'll go to sleep.
Good. Have a good sleep.
Okay, it's 3 a.m. Now I am going to eat food from vending machine. Ha 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 ha. Alright, now I am back to here. Oh, but anyways, today I am going to eat food from vending machines at 3 a.m. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow, that was so delicious.
Oh my god, where's classic Caillou? Someone just go outside, and I know who did this. Oh, wait a minute, it was classic Caillou. He even goes outside at 3 a.m. That's it, I will be deal with him right now. Oh my god, classic Caillou, why are you taking so long? So why are you no sleep? Classic Caillou, turn on your head.
What is it, Dad?
Oh really, that's it, let's go now. Classic Caillou, how dare you goes outside and eat food from the vending machine at 3 a.m. That's it, you are so grounded for 88 years, now go to sleep right now, I don't want to hear you awake at 3 a.m. ever again.
No.